How to switch creator account to private Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can switch creator account to private on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically switch creator account to private on Instagram, all you have to do is, if you open up Instagram application over here, then maybe you have a creator account, and when you're trying to switch to a private account it says business account or creator account can't be private. So to fix this, what we have to do is we first have to switch to a personal account. So after you tap the three lines option, scroll down here and simply go to this option here, creator tools and controls, right? So right here you can see creator tools and controls, tap on it, then scroll down and you'll see switch account type. Tap on switch account type, and first I want you to simply switch to personal account. Now after you switch to personal account, come back, go to account privacy. Now you can try to turn on the private account option, and then you'll be able to switch it. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then switch creator account to private on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.